So nowhere like store-wise has pants that are like thick, fleecy for girls. They only have like leggings. I hate that, super tight. So I decided I am going to make pants. So I bought a sewing machine, and I also got this really nice fleece stuff. And I did get a material that's thinner, but it's still kind of warm to, like, I guess do my first one. And then when I get it, I'll do the fleece one. That way I don't waste that one because that one's cost more. But I'm going to make pants, and like baby pants. So I was thinking if I get good at it, I can do like an Etsy shop. Oh, the camera's over here and I'm looking this way. So I'm going to show you guys step by step my process. So far I took a pair of Harlem baby pants that I had that are a little bit big on her, and I cut out with tissue paper like my own little pattern, and I kind of adjusted the waist a little bit smaller, and then I'll adjust the length a little bit when I get to that. So you can see that's my homemade pattern. And they're like Harlem pants, so they're not like tight at the crotch, and they're gonna be front on the like here it's gonna be like flat instead of having that seam. So hopefully it'll be easier for me to sew, and I'll just have to sew the edges and then up here and then finish the bottom and the top. So I'm not the best with this type of stuff. My mom usually helps me, but we're going to learn, and maybe we can make some of our own clothes because I'm really excited about this and I want to bring you on my journey. So this is what we're going to do. So what I'm going to do is cut this out, and I'll show you what it looks like. I need two of these pieces, and I have the fabric folded, and that's what I'm going to do, cut it. Of course, I have not took that in the box. I'm going to do that, and you guys are going to watch me. So let's get ready. Okay, so I'm going to begin cutting my pattern. I did not put any pins down, so I have to be very careful, and I'm using my new scissors that I got. So here we go. What I like about this pattern is that it doesn't have to be exact, because it's not like a regular pattern. You see how this is like a U? So you don't have to be like exact. You can make it longer, you can make it shorter, you can make the legs thicker, or whatever. So here's what I have. These are gonna be cute, aren't they? So what we're gonna do is take them apart, and we're going to put the front of the fabrics towards each other like this. And you know what? I forgot to get pins. I do not have pins. So I'm going to have to go to the store. Alright, so here we go. Watch out. So there's the machine. Let's see if we can pull this out. Alright, come here. Sit in your chair.
So it comes with a DVD.
And a whole bunch of papers. Instruction manual. Alright. It's got good weight to it, guys. Okay. Sorry about the camera. Alright, let me take this plastic off so we can look at it. Sit there. Okay, let's get you guys set up. Oh, it just pulls right off. So here is the machine. Comes with the cord and the pedal. It's plastic. My mom's super old one is like a metal. I think this is plastic too. I think hers is metal. Okay, so here is preparing the machine. So we need that. I'm not going to show you how I prepare the machine because it'll just take me too long. Or I might. Okay, there's paper there. I'm not sure. So let me show you. Annie, sit here. And I'm going to pass this down to Annie. Annie, this is going to be for you when you get older. So there's the machine. It's got a nice little handle. And yeah, we're going to see how this baby runs. Annie's in the box. Say hi. And Annie has a little cold today and yesterday. There's Hector. So these pants that she's wearing here are boys' pants. We have like 2 other sweatpants that are like girls' pants, but man, you guys, these boys' ones from Walmart, quality is so much better. Alright guys, so this is my final product. I'm not going to finish it because the legs were tight and the top was tight. So I need to get either a different fabric or adjust my pattern. And so, but yeah, it was pretty good. I like it a lot. I'm going to show you my setup right here. And yeah, so hope you like this video. Bye!